What's up everyone, Nathan here from Myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with creating, editing audio and video productions like a pro, even if you're totally a beginner actually. First I'm going to share with you the methods how you can get started with making money, and secondly I actually going to show you on how you can get started with do the productions and the edits without having no previous experience actually. And I do refer to my own course, which is Audio Video Mastery. Now to get started, first I actually uploaded this video yesterday on my other channel, which is Easy Way Web Marketing. I do hope that you have subscribed to that channel. If not, make sure to do that. But since I know some of you arrived to the video here now and you haven't probably subscribed, I do want you to take advantage of the offer that I had there. I do run a discounted price on Audio Video Mastery right now, so I want you as a valued subscriber here on Myimtips to take advantage of that discounted price as well. Now, Audio Video Mastery is perfect for someone that wants to get started, to edit and produce and create video and audio productions, of course, without any previous experience. But you can have a look at it at the sales page at your own pace to see what this is all about. But first, I want you to have a look here at the two methods that I'm going to reveal to you. One is online and one is offline, and that is how you can make money with audio and video productions. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, before we get started, now for those of you that don't know me, I've been actually running my own business for almost 2 decades now, and together with my team we have produced until this day well over 20,000 radio commercials in total. That's how I got started back then when I started my online business, and later on, of course, the last years we also got involved in video production because it started to blow up and became very popular. So we offered that, of course, as well to our clients there, both offline and online, of course. And last year I actually also created a course about how to edit audio and video like a pro, which is Audio Video Mastery. I will show you that later on, but first I'm actually going to show you how easy it is to get started with making money by editing videos. And that is, of course, without any previous experience, if you just follow along with what I'm going to show you here. So first, let's get started with actually how we can make money with editing videos. Now, the first thing that you can do is actually you can go to a few offline businesses, okay? That's how I do usually, and how I also got started. And why do you go offline? Well, really simple. A lot of these people that have the small businesses, they don't have time. They usually don't have time with doing videos, upload them to YouTube and so on. And that's where you can come in. And the best thing is that if they start to trust you once and they are satisfied, they will come back to you for more and more, and also for another service besides the YouTube, the video or something. You can actually help them with YouTube. It is really super easy to rank videos, I mean, for local markets. You can actually offer them web services, some kind of a website, some lead generation or something like that. And don't limit yourself that you can't do everything for yourself, because there is so many ways that you can outsource this actually. So do not say no, because what you can do is actually make extra money there. But I just wanted to say it because it usually starts like that. That's how we got in. We started with a video, then we started to take over the YouTube channel. We helped them ranking, and then we started to make a website and so on. So go out and talk to people. That is the first thing. And you can edit them, you can offer them really simple things, okay? You don't have to be any fancy cameras and stuff like that. I shoot with my iPhone actually, so do not limit yourself to that. You can do so many things today with just very, very cheap equipment actually. It's about lighting and of course the audio that I will show you also later on here, how you can solve that problem. But if you don't want to go the offline way that I just talked about here, What you can do is you can actually offer it online as a freelancer. Now the first site that comes to my mind is of course Fiverr. So if I have a look at it here, if I type video editing, this is how it looks. If you can see here, almost no one sells for actually $5. Now this is in euros, pretty similar value like dollars. 18.53 is $20. So this guy starts at 18.53, which is $20. This guy sells for 25. Look at this. This is a pro, definitely. He starts at 55 euros. Okay, that's almost $60 here. What you are going to do actually, if you're totally new, you will have to sell yourself low, like this guy here. Look at this. He has 176 gigs that he has been selling for $5. Okay, so you do need to sell yourself low. When you start to get a few gigs here, you can increase your price. But I can tell you for sure that it's not only this money, because usually when people start to edit videos, you look at this for example. Okay, this is only for 1 minute of editing. If you do have 2 to 3 minutes of editing, it costs you 37. If we go to the premium, which is 5 minutes or longer, you can see that this guy charges $70, around $70. And it's so easy to do, because let me show you here. So this is an example. Okay, this is the end screen that you usually see. So how do you edit videos? Well, really simple. I am all about shortcuts. So you can see here this, and let's say for example that we want to cut this. So we do delete here. So this is how you edit videos. Really simple and easy. And I'm also going to show you later on for Audio Video Mastery how easy it is to get started with this. But I just wanted to show you, if you're afraid that you don't have any experience at all, it is super easy to get started with and offer it as a service. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually offer it on a few sites. You're going to sign up for not only Fiverr, but you're going to sign up for Upwork, which is very popular. Look here, I just typed video editing earlier here. This guy starts with $12 up to $60 per hour. This is another guy, $40 per hour, 39, 33, $60, 40, 30, and this is per hour they charge here, okay? There is also freelancer, tons of sites that you can actually apply for. So what I recommend that you would do is you apply for free for, let's say 5 sites of this, okay? And when you wake up and you have your morning coffee, you will go inside here and bid actually for where you think you can do and take the job. And you have to bid low in the beginning. That's all. It is so simple. You have to bid low so you can get a few gigs back, so you can get a few testimonials, and then you can increase your price there. Look at this, video editing. Need to edit a video. The total video length is 16 seconds and the editing part is just for 3 seconds. $15 straight away, and I can guarantee you that this goes really super fast actually. Okay. But you can see here, video editor. They're looking all the time. There are people who go in here, they say, I want to edit it because they don't have time. That's where you can come in. And as I said, do not limit yourself, because it starts with the video editing and then you can make some money with some other stuff there. So that is how to get started to make money with video editing. Now, how do I learn the video editing? Well, really simple. Let me show you my site here. I launched it last year, and I did it basically on the idea that I have no previous experience in video and audio editing. I learned this all by myself actually. And I always found out that every time I wanted to learn something, like how to work in Camtasia, it's all really nice, very good, but here is one thing. You go through the course and you see what the benefits are in everything. So let me just fire up Camtasia here. So how to cut, okay, this is cool. Okay, I already know how to cut, how to stitch here. You don't need to stitch. But when you start to work and when you're totally new, I can guarantee you that you have forgotten it, and you will start to look for that particular task you want to do, which will take you probably hours. So what I did instead, I actually did live videos that I uploaded already, and I shared them step by step and watch over my shoulder style videos exactly how I did those videos, which is definitely much more easier to just follow along. And best of all is that they are ready-made results. So that's exactly all you have to do, is just follow along to make your own video there. I'm going to show you, hang on a little bit. So if I just scroll down, it is not only about the video and audio editing, but what I also share a lot of tips inside about how to get better conversions, what you should follow, some templates, and so on. So it's not only about learning Camtasia here. While I do show you mainly in Camtasia, it's all about timeline. Wherever there is a software which is a timeline, this actually can be applied, okay? But of course, it's definitely worth it. If you don't have Camtasia, they do have a 30-day trial. So I mean, you have 30 days actually to make up your mind if this is for you or not. And I'm actually going to show you the members area instead here. You can have a look at the sales page later on. So this is how it looks in my members area. And if I open up here, make a great tutorial video, you see here it's 10 minutes only this tutorial, but have a look here. So I just go a little bit back, in and zoom out, and this is the main thing. Learn the shortcuts, because you will save thousands. Okay, I'm skipping forward here. Okay, so you can see I don't know where actually, I just put it somewhere here. So I do have some tips always inside here. This was another tutorial, 10 minutes long. So I show you exactly on real live examples. This video has been uploaded. I show you where and why you should have your intro, what you should do, what you should say. So this is for your own productions as well. Let me just play it a little bit here. Oh, it takes a little time to find the exact, you see there are some green things here, so you have to find out the tolerance, the softness. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here. How to use footage. I also show you how to do videos without even having to record anything, with just royalty-free footage. Here's how you can create a template, how to create a video sales letter, some settings, and there is tons of bonuses and stuff inside there also. So that is how the main area looks actually, which is definitely more than enough to get you started with this course. Now, what I'm actually going to do for you here, I have lowered the price for $17 right now. Okay, I'm not sure how long I will have it like this, because it is a steal for this price. I mean, I've seen courses, they sell for $37, $97, and all they do is actually they show you the features. Here, I show you ready-made examples that is live up and running, and I'm also showing you conversion, how you can increase conversions, and so much more. So this is actually for a marketer more, I would say. I do emphasize, of course, on audio. You can see here 62% of consumers are more likely to have a negative perception of a poor quality audio. And that is truth. I mean, ask anyone who is involved in audio. I can show you tens of like this. You can see here the importance of sound in video production. It can elevate your video dramatically, certainly just as important as a good quality footage. And people just tend to forget it. And I found out that it was something that was missing actually in Camtasia, so I found a cool trick which is free to do, and you will get this inside also. Takes you less than 60 seconds also. I did actually a case study about it. I did it in 60 seconds, and that's exactly what it takes to just boost the sound in Camtasia like a pro. And it's not about compressing and leveling inside Camtasia. So anyway, you will have it inside the course if you're interested, of course, in the course. Okay, now make sure to take advantage of this as long as it is available for $17. Even if you're not interested in making money, you will still benefit a lot for learning how to edit like a pro. I can guarantee you, you'll see some tips and insights there. So I will leave you a link for the discounted price here actually, so you can find it and go through that link, of course. Now, if you have any questions at all regarding this, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you got some value out of this video. I can guarantee you if you implement it, you will definitely have a few clients on. Don't go to super big companies, to professionals, go to small local businesses. Those are the people that are working all the day in their businesses and they don't have time usually with this. So offer that, go make some video footage, take your smartphone with you, make sure there is a good lighting, show around the shop, do some videos there, edit, upload it, and come back for upsells. That is the fastest way actually that I can come up with to make money with this method. Alright, that's it, not gonna drag this out anymore. If you're interested, you'll find a link below in the description, of course. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.